Welcome to Maths 123.
In this video, we'll solve biquadratic equation x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus x is equal to 380. So we can write this equation as x raised to power 4 minus 2x raised to power 3 plus x minus 380 is equal to 0. So here if we see, the coefficient of x raised to power 4 is equal to 1. To solve these type of biquadratic equation where the coefficient of x raised to power 4 is equal to 1, we have to see the constant c. So here the constant is equal to negative 380. So step is we have to find the factors of 380. If we find the factors of 380, we can use the prime factorization method. So we'll get all the factors of 380, and these are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 10, plus minus 19, plus minus 20, plus minus 38, plus minus 76, plus minus 95, plus minus 190, and plus minus 380. Now one by one we have to put all these values in this equation. Let me mark this as equation number 1. So one by one we'll put all these values here and we'll get all values of x, but this will become very lengthy. So we'll find at least two factors of this equation by putting all these values. So first we'll start with plus minus 1. If we put x is equal to 1 in equation 1, then this equation will become 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 1 minus 380. Obviously this will not be equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 is not the solution of this. Similarly, x is equal to minus 1 is very small, it won't be the solution for this equation. And if we put 2 also, let's see x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation or not. By become 2 raised to power 4 minus 2, 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 minus 380 is equal to 16 minus 16 plus 2 minus 380. This will get cancelled with this, we will get minus 378, which is not equal to 0. It means that x is this is not the factor of the equation number 1. Similarly, x raised to power minus x is equal to 2 is not the factor of this equation. Now we'll put x is equal to minus 4. If we put this value, we'll get negative 4 raised to power 4 minus 2 times 4 raised to power 3 plus minus 4 minus 380 is equal to, this will become 256. This is negative, sorry. So this will become plus here 128 minus 4 minus 380. So we'll get here 380 minus 380, which is equal to 0. So it means this value x is equal to negative 4 is the solution for this biquadratic equation. So we can say that x plus 4 is a factor of 1. So we got one factor of equation number 1. Similarly, we'll find one more factor that will put x is equal to 4. If we put this, we'll get 4 raised to power 4 minus 2, 4 raised to power 3 plus 4 minus 380 is equal to 256 minus 128, 4 minus 4 minus 380. So here minus 256. So this is not equal to 0. It means x equals to 4 is not a solution of equation number 1. Now we'll put other value. X is equal to 5 in our given biquadratic equation. We'll get 5 raised to power 4 minus 2, 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 minus 380 is equal to, this is 625 minus, so this is equal to 250 plus 5 minus 380. If we solve this, we'll get 380 minus 380 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 is a solution of equation 1. So this implies x minus 5 is the factor of equation 1. So we have two factors of equation 1. These are x plus 4 and x minus 5. So we'll multiply x plus 4 and x minus 5. So here we'll get x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to x raised to power 2 minus x minus 20. This expression is also a solution of equation number 1. So when we divide the quadratic equation with this, we should get 0, and from there we'll get other two factors of that equation. So for that, divide this x raised to power 4 minus x cube plus x minus 380 with this. So for first step, I have to divide this first term of this with first term of this. Will get x raised to power 4 divided by x square is equal to x square. So this x square, now in step 2 we have to multiply this x square with x square minus x minus 20. So we'll get x raised to power 4 minus x cube minus 20 x square. So this x square will go here, and this will write here x raised to power 4 minus x raised to power 3 minus 20 x square. Now we'll change the sign. So here it is plus sign, so it will become negative. Here negative, it will become plus. Here negative, it will become plus. So here this will get cancelled with this, so we will be left with this is negative 2x cube. Here it is plus x cube, so we will be left with negative x cube. Here we have plus 20x square and plus x minus 380 as it is will write. Now same steps we have to repeat again and again till we get our big 0. So now the step 1, we have to divide x cube with the first term of this, which is x square. So we'll get here x. So this x, in second step we have to multiply this negative x with x square minus x minus 20. So we'll get negative x cube plus x square plus 20x. So this will go here negative x, and this will come here negative x cube plus x square plus 20x. Now we'll change the sign. Here it will become plus, negative and negative, they will get cancelled. So we will be left with 20 minus 1x square, which is 19x square plus 19x minus 380. Sorry, here it will come negative and negative 380. Now we'll multiply this with plus 19. So we'll get 19x square minus 19x minus 380. Now we'll change the sign. This is negative, this will plus, and here plus. This will get cancelled with this will get cancelled with this, and this will get cancelled with this. We'll get 0 here. So x square minus x plus 19 is also a solution of equation number 1. So this is a quadratic expression. So we can find the value of x from here, two other values of x or two other solutions of this equation number 1. Here we won't be able to use midterm split method, so we can use here direct formula where x, the values of other two factors, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. So if we compare this equation with the general quadratic, if we compare this expression with general quadratic expression, which is ax square plus bx plus c is, so we'll get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to 19. So we'll put all the values here. So we'll get other two factors of this biquadratic equation. Minus here we have minus b, and here we have minus b, so it will become 1 plus minus b square minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1, b, c is 19 divided by 2 multiplied with 1. So x is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 19, 4 are 76 divided by 2. So x is equal to plus minus square root of negative 75 divided by 2. Therefore the solution of this biquadratic equation are 5 minus 4 1 plus minus square root of negative 75 divided by 2.